how to import video on CapCut in computer. And okay guys, here in your computer, okay, go to CapCut. Here in CapCut, okay, first you can create a project. Okay, click the create project button. And okay guys, now here in CapCut dashboard, okay, go to import videos, audio or image. Okay, you can click this. And the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can go to your video. Okay, for my example, I save video on my folder into download from share it from this folder and this video. First, you can select the video. After that, click open to import your video on CapCut. Okay, we have successfully import, and after that, okay, you can add to this editing section by clicking the plus button. Okay, or you can click and hold and slide to this editing section, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully import video on CapCut in computer.